Suot ang ilang pangmalakasan nga outfit, usa-usa nga nagpaila-ila ang mga estudyante nga magtigi sa Mr. and Miss LPU Davao sulod sa Visitors Center atol sa media launching pasado alas 9 kaganyang buntag, Enero 17. 22 ka candidates ang magtigi sa pageant. Apil sa kapresenta ang advocacy sa mga candidate na sagad nakasentro sa panglawas, kabataan ug pagpanalipod sa kinayahan. Nagpakitang gilas sab sila sa pagtubag sa mga pangutana atol sa interview proper. Ang media launching sa Mr. and Miss LPU Davao ipangunahan nila Dr. Kenny James Mirin, ang Assistant Vice President for Academics and Research, ug Dr. Felipe Balingit Jr., ang Vice President and Chief Academic Officer sa LPU Davao Campus.
By recognizing and challenging existing curves of inequality, we can work towards creating a more equitable and sustainable trajectory and development. This entails embracing diversity, promoting equal opportunities, and fostering a society where everyone can contribute and thrive, ultimately shaping a positive curve of progress. As LPU Davao embarks on this exciting journey, may we all not merely focus on crowning our champions, but also realizing the profound impact that they can make as ambassadors of LPU Davao.
It builds self-confidence. It makes people better citizens. And there is also the element of sportsmanship. Coach Noli can attest to that. We all aspire to improve ourselves individually as a person. And this pageant, this competition, and we call it in LPU MML, is one very good platform. There is no money involved here, unlike in some communities. I will not mention names, where they count votes based on the number of tickets you sell. That is not what we are doing here. There is no commercialization. We are here to promote models of the community.
Kini na ang ikaupat nga tuig sa Mr. and Miss LPU Davao. Kinisab ang unang higayon nga dunay media launching sa ilang mga candidate. Ang pre-pageant nakatakdang ipahigayon sa unang semana sa Pebrero ug coronation night sa Pebrero 26, Lunes alas 6 sa gabi sa LPU Davao Laurel Field. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe.